Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the electric greenhouse. We have power to the greenhouse, but we were short of wire. Went and got it, brought it back, and then we realized we bought the wrong breakers that goes into the box. We got a square D box and we got 7 breakers. But nevertheless, we do have power. We used a 30 amp out of the other box here at the house and got it working. Let me turn this thing here around. He went through the conduit, brought it all the way up, around, hooked up there, pointed down so water don't get up in the conduit. It's raining here, but hey, no surprise, right? Oh Lordy. Get down here without getting my camera all wet. So, we need to get some more wires, run over to the new window greenhouse. We're wiring in there. This is what we had left, these little pieces right here. But hey y'all, look at there. 7 rows of vegetables. Cucumbers, tomatoes, 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 hot peppers, and peppers down through that 2 rows. Still got some cucumbers planted right down here. But, the main story. Hey, look at here. He got me power right there. We got one there. So, hold on 1 minute. I'm gonna get that one. Yep, you two will catch that. Anyway, like I said, we have power here. Get that light on there, motion light. My switch is gonna go in there. I can always add on more plugs here. I'm going to get the right breakers there. I gotta run my cord from the top of the greenhouse to the corner of the window greenhouse. Then gonna come back and do those plug-ins over there for me. But I am so happy to get this here done so far. Like I said, that cord I had from my storage building up front down to here for 3 years of mud and the rain and the freeze and the heat and all that. I did short something out and burn a bunch of stuff up. But right now, John's going back to Home Depot. Hopefully they got the right breakers put in here. And my buddy can come back over here and finish this thing up for me. Later on, I'm going to put 3 big lights along the ridge pole up here. About 3, one at the door and one middle ways and one on the end down there. So that we'll have power at night out here in big bright lights if we need to do something. Those new ones that come out with got the little LEDs, got little 3 things going out of it. You move them up and down. I'm gonna get 3 of them. So that should brighten this thing up at nighttime. I can run water behind back there with lights back there. And hey, look at here, Ernie. It's all, you walk through here now, Ernie Hatmaker. So, I'm about ready to send you an invitation to come back for a visit. But anyways, let me jump off of here. And soon we get the right breakers in here. And get my buddy back over here. He had to run home with it. Like I said, it is starting to rain here where we're at. Had to go cover something up at his house. But we'll get this thing here put together. Y'all don't go nowhere. Alrighty. We have got power going from the big greenhouse breaker box over to the window greenhouse. We're still going to add on some things later on, but I have electricity in there. Electricity in the big greenhouse, plug in, so run all the extension cords from way up there to the shop down to here. I'll turn this thing around and I'll show you what we come up with. So hold on 1 second. There it is, see. There's the breaker boxes. That was live, that was live. The other one's spares right there. So, got light switches here. The first one will be the lights for the greenhouse in there up top real high. I got 4 plug-ins right here. By doing this right here, I'll eliminate 1 extension cord on the ground. I don't have to run through this window or anything. I went through the corner with the wire. I still put the cable across there to support it. Inside the greenhouse, you got a ground deal right here, the trip, you know, something shorts out right there, and that's my remote deal. Ground fault plug-in, that's what that is. So that'll help eliminate a lot of cords. I got two plug-ins over here. Well, 4 plug-ins actually, 2 and 2. Don't have anything on this side of the wall here. I can plug in on this side. Nothing on this side. I can plug in here. The search bar and stuff, like my heat mats, things like that. Well, we got a lot of our plants out of here so far. It's all in the ground out there. A lot of these here is the extra plants we have. So we get back out here. It's kind of warm in here. Put this door. Alright. This wind's blowing pretty good here today. But just an update on the greenhouse electricity, the electric greenhouse now. And I am well pleased with getting this here done to be safer. Instead of extension cord, I can take it out, get it out of the mud stuff if I can get it out of there now. I gotta find out what all is on top of it and everything else to get it out of there. So, but that eliminates a lot of my cords I go run. I still got a cord running to my night light while I moved it to the back there. But I will get some more wire, run that out there. And I got lights in the chicken coop. I'll run some wire over to there. I got breakers and switches to take care of all that stuff. But anyways, that's going to wrap it up for the electric greenhouse. Y'all come on back and visit me now and see what else I'm going to do around here. And John, he's been planting tomatoes a day, and we got some cucumbers, and we got some Alaska snow peas we got put on that trailers we're doing this year. It's work. So it's a busy time of the year. So I like to come on back. Y'all be safe, have fun gardening, and have a super day. Bye.